The newly launched UVIEW is an ultralight third-person view capture system which utilizes a pair of hiking poles and your backpack. The UVIEW system is robust and portable, so you can get a great video angle wherever you travel. The angle gives the feeling of being there with the user. You get the freedom of filming yourself by yourself without a camera team or drone. Quick setup mode takes 25 seconds. For hands-free mode, you attach the poles to your backpack hip belt. The UVIEW doubles as an on-the-fly tripod and of course has a selfie stick. The UVIEW is now available for pre-order on our website with a 20% discount for the first 500 customers. So hurry up and join our story so you can tell yours.